Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's to MOSHEH TV here again. So on today's video, we're gonna be touring the ongoing construction of Ekwulobia modern bus terminal. So since this project started, I have not accessed this particular place to go and see how the inside is looking like, but I've always view the whole thing from the outside, and sometimes I do get more closer and see everything from the outside, from the compound. So but from the last visitation I made to the Ekwulobia flyover, I decided to head inside of this place to go and see what inside is looking like, not just the view from the outside. So from the video you can see how the place is looking like, though per my observation, the construction is somehow dull because the project almost started the same time with the flyover, and the flyover is already at a completion level, while this particular one is lagging behind somehow. So this particular one is somehow dull when it comes to the construction, but we are waiting for the beginning of next year. Let's see how it goes. I'm hoping or believing that by beginning of this year, next year, when the whole workers is back, they might be speeding up the whole work over here, because they have somehow done this particular project and they need to speed it up to meet up with other projects like the flyover. It will be a sweetest thing if the flyover is being launched and this particular one is also being launched at the same time. It will be a very sweet thing. Let all the projects within that axis be launched together. That is my own suggestion, and that is my personal opinion. So this is what we saw when I accessed the inside the building. The place is looking nice, and the space they gave for each of the room, which currently I'm not aware of whatever the different room will be serving for, but the spaces they give for each room is quite big. So until the project is completed, we're going to be seeing everything what each room will be using for. So this is the up of the building. So I'm not sure if anything will be attached on top. For now, maybe this is where it's gonna be ending, and we level it up, or it's still going more higher. But let's just wait and see, because I don't think if there's anything that will be attaching on this up. I think it's already on the rental level where they're gonna be leveling everything. Sorry. So this is how the looks of the up of the building. This is the way it's looking like. This is all the view you can have, and from this building you can also have a view of the flyover and see the shape of the flyover from this particular side. So I'll also be showing you the the ones that is looks like the security house, which was built by the left hand side of this building at the outside. That one I think is the security house. Yeah, is the security house. I'll also show you that one too. So this is the looks of the up. All these places will be I think they will be installing protectors on them. So this is the looks. This is how the up is looking like. So the place is not that big, I will be sincere. The compound is not that big. If you know Ekwulobia before this time, when this project has not been started, you know that inside that park, it's not that it's very big, but it's just a normal space. So it's not that very big, but it's somehow manageable somehow. So let's just be watching and waiting and see how the whole thing will go. So this is the security house. So how the whole process will go, if the place will actually contain every every pack they want to be making use of in this Ekwulobia, or they will have a specific pack they want to use this place for. So once the project is completed, we're gonna be seeing everything for ourselves. So this is all I have concerning this modern bus terminal in Ekwulobia. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the like button. Do also share the video for others to see, and thank you all for your wonderful support, and do have a wonderful new year in advance. Thanks.